Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for LinkedIn Premium, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for LinkedIn Premium, start by visiting the LinkedIn website. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, click on the Join Now button to create a new account. Fill out the required fields including your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and Join. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, locate the Me icon at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on the Me icon to open your account menu. From the drop-down, select Access My Premium or look for the Premium tab on the homepage. You will be presented with various premium subscription options. Review the features associated with each subscription plan. Select the plan that best fits your professional needs. Click on the Try Free for 1 month option if it is available. This will allow you to take advantage of the premium features without immediate charges. You may be prompted to confirm your payment method. Enter your payment information in the provided fields. Review the terms and conditions linked in the sign-up process. Once you're ready, click Start My Free Month to complete the registration. Check your email for a confirmation message from LinkedIn. Follow any instructions in the email to finalize your premium setup. Congratulations, you are now signed up for LinkedIn Premium. Explore the new features available to enhance your professional networking experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.